Hey everyone, big opportunity alert. If you're looking for start your career with a top product based company, then Juspay is hiring right now. This is a high quality tech role. So watch till the end. Now click on the link present in the description and let's go to about the company. Juspay is one of the most India's leading fintech product companies. Juspay is one of the most India's leading fintech product companies. They build large scale payment systems used by billions of users every day. Working at Juspay means a strong engineering culture, real impact, and serious learning. And coming to the job details, company name Juspay role back-end engineering full-time. Location India as per company allocations. This role is focused on building high performance backend systems that handle real time transaction at scale. Role and responsibilities. As a backend engineer, you will design and build scalable backend services, work on APIs, database and system architects, handle performance, reliability and security, write a clean, optimized product level code, collaborate with front end and product teams who can apply, strong in DS and algorithms, good knowledge of backend concepts, comfortable with any backend languages, Java, Python, Go, etc. Interest in system design and problem solving, passionate about high scale products. If you're serious about backend engineering and want work with a top fintech company and this much an apply opportunity. And thank you, share with your friends.